New places, new faces, so distant feels like we're falling off. You're chasing a vision, a perfect person that I am not. Whoa. I feel lost, thinking about all of my flaws. I can't figure out where we went wrong, no. So I fake feelings of being okay, but I know it'll never be the same, oh. And I don't know why, can't say goodbye. I don't know why, can't say goodbye. My heart's vacant, I'm impatient. It just feels like you're moving on and on. You're great and I hate it. You make me feel like I'm not